And this was a scene all across the area today. We were talking about those downpours. We had those flash flood warnings early in the morning. It was high water here that blocked the path and made for dangerous road conditions for drivers. And Queen City News reporter David Schuman shows us just how much of an impact that water had on homes and residents alike.
Wilkinson Boulevard in Charlotte got it bad. Matthews was hit too. Tuesday's rain kept Mecklenburg County under a flash flood warning into the early evening.
Pretty wild, just seeing the force of how much rain and the trees and the trash kind of wrapping around all the stuff that you're passing by. It's pretty crazy.
Even hours after the worst of the downpour, some spots on the Little Sugar Creek Greenway were still impassable.
I know it was raining a lot, 80% chance this morning, but I didn't think it would flood the area like this.
I want to give you an idea of how high the water appeared to get. We're down here at the banks of the creek right now, but the debris, silt, and sand can be seen covering the steps all the way up to here.
This time lapse shows how quickly and dramatically the creek rose. Water spilled out onto the streets, leading to some road closures and seemingly abandoned cars. This tree had to be removed from a road in South Charlotte, too. Back at the Greenway, Sue Surrey adjusted her after-work walk to avoid what was left of the flooding.
It's frustrating, but I try to just appreciate the fact that we have such a beautiful greenway system, and I know they're doing a lot of repairs and works and stuff, but it can be frustrating when you're trying to do a full walk and you can't get through.
In Charlotte, David Schuman, Queen City News.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.